Hello everyone, and welcome back to CarAug 765. If you love classic American vans, vintage vehicles, and automotive history, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 1991 Chevrolet G30 van, a vehicle that earned a reputation for strength, reliability, and versatility across America. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to CarAug 765 and turn on notifications so you never miss another classic vehicle story. The 1991 Chevrolet G30 van was one of the most capable full-size vans of its era. During the late 1980s and early 1990s, Chevrolet was known for producing tough work vehicles, and the G30 stood at the top of the company's van lineup. Whether it was used for business, family travel, cargo transportation, or custom camper conversions, this van proved that it could handle almost any task. At first glance, the G30 featured a simple but rugged design. Unlike modern vans that focus on sleek styling, the G30 was built with practicality in mind. Its large body, wide stance, and boxy shape allowed owners to maximize interior space. This design became one of the van's greatest strengths because it provided excellent room for passengers, equipment, and cargo. One of the most impressive aspects of the 1991 Chevrolet G30 van was its versatility. Many businesses across the United States relied on these vans for daily operations. Delivery companies, electricians, plumbers, construction crews, and service technicians appreciated the vehicle's ability to transport tools and materials safely and efficiently. The spacious cargo area allowed owners to customize the interior according to their specific needs. The passenger versions of the G30 were equally popular. Families often used these vans for long road trips thanks to their comfortable seating arrangements and generous interior space. Depending on the configuration, the van could accommodate a large number of passengers while still offering room for luggage and personal belongings. This made it an ideal choice for vacations, church groups, sports teams, and community organizations. Under the hood, the 1991 Chevrolet G30 van offered several engine options. Buyers could choose from powerful V8 engines that delivered strong performance and dependable towing capability. These engines were designed for durability rather than speed, making them perfect for heavy-duty work. Whether hauling cargo across town or towing equipment on the highway, the G30 had the power needed to get the job done. Another reason the G30 became so popular was its reputation for reliability. Many owners reported driving these vans for hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. The straightforward mechanical design made repairs easier compared to many modern vehicles. As a result, the G30 became a favorite among fleet operators and independent business owners who needed dependable transportation every day. Inside the cabin, the G30 focused on functionality and comfort. The dashboard featured simple controls that were easy to understand and operate. Drivers enjoyed excellent visibility thanks to the large windshield and elevated seating position. Long hours behind the wheel were made easier by the spacious interior and supportive seating arrangements. The G30 also became a favorite platform for custom conversions. Throughout the United States, many companies transformed these vans into luxury travel vehicles, campers, and recreational vans. Custom interiors often included plush seating, entertainment systems, upgraded lighting, and even sleeping areas. These conversions turned the practical work van into a comfortable vehicle for family adventures and cross-country travel. For camping enthusiasts, the G30 offered nearly endless possibilities. Its large interior allowed owners to create mobile living spaces complete with beds, storage cabinets, cooking equipment, and electrical systems. Even today, many vintage camper enthusiasts continue to restore and modify G30 vans for road trips and outdoor adventures. Safety was another important consideration during the development of the G30. While safety technology in 1991 was not as advanced as today's standards, Chevrolet designed the van with a strong frame and durable construction. The vehicle's substantial size and solid engineering provided drivers with confidence during daily use. The driving experience of the G30 was unique. Its large dimensions required drivers to become familiar with its size, but once comfortable, many owners appreciated the commanding view of the road. The suspension system was designed to handle heavy loads while maintaining stability and comfort. On highways, the van delivered a smooth and confident ride that made long-distance travel enjoyable. Today, the 1991 Chevrolet G30 van has become a respected classic among collectors and enthusiasts. Well-preserved examples attract attention at car shows, vintage vehicle gatherings, and online communities. Enthusiasts appreciate the van's historical significance, practical design, and unmistakable American character. Finding a clean G30 today can be challenging because many examples spent years working hard in commercial service. However, restored models are becoming increasingly valuable as interest in classic vans continues to grow. Collectors recognize the G30 as an important part of Chevrolet's history and a symbol of an era when durability and utility were top priorities. What makes the 1991 Chevrolet G30 truly special is its ability to serve many different purposes. It could be a work vehicle during the week, a family transporter on weekends, and a camper for vacations. Few vehicles offer such flexibility while maintaining the toughness and reliability that made the G30 famous. More than 3 decades after its introduction, the Chevrolet G30 remains a reminder of a time when vehicles were built to work hard and last for years. Its simple engineering, strong construction, and spacious design continue to earn respect from enthusiasts around the world. Thank you for watching today's video on the 1991 Chevrolet G30 van. If you enjoyed learning about this legendary American van, be sure to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to CarAug 765 for more classic vehicle stories, vintage trucks, rare vans, and automotive history. See you in the next video.